So what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to do a welding video, which I've never done before, but I weld. I'm experimenting here with welding aluminum with a 115 volt MIG welder. So without a spool gun, because you can't get a spool gun for this. It's just an auto arc 130. So what I've got here is a LD size tank of argon gas, and that's the gas that you need for welding aluminum. We've got a roll of aluminum wire that you'd normally put in a spool gun, but I'm gonna put it on my welder here and try to do this, which I know it works. I've seen people do it. So, see, doesn't hold there. Need to tighten it. So, that's my big spool of flux core that I have in it now. So, need to take that off. It's got the extension kit so that you can put the bigger spools of wire on it. So I need to take that off too. And I'm gonna try and clean it as good as I can. All the drive rollers and everything. So just opening it up here, and you can see if I just run my finger across it, it's got a bunch of stuff on it from the steel. You see that? Turn the light off. No, didn't turn the light off. There. You can see all that stuff just from the drive roller. So I'm gonna clean all that off with a rag and see if it works. Okay, so I'm holding the lead as straight as I can, and I only have the wire speed up to about 50, so I'm gonna see if it feeds it nice here. I can feel it. There it is, we got wire. That works nice. So there's my ingot of aluminum. I have a bunch of these, so I'm gonna practice weld on them. And when you clean them off, you have to use a stainless steel brush because normal steel will contaminate it. So you should use acetone, but I can't find any, so I'm just gonna clean it with this brush. There, now that's quite a bit cleaner. So now I'll put a mask over you and try to do a weld. Okay, now I'm going to try the recommended speeds, which is for 115 volt, it's 4 and 90. So I'm going to try that. That seemed to work not too bad. Looks like a pretty clumpy weld. That weld looked to have a bit more wire, so I turned the wire speed down to 70. So now I'll try that. Had a big clump of aluminum build up on the side of my tip. That's cool. Okay, so welding aluminum with a 115 volt MIG welder. It actually works decent, so it's a success. So there's my little setup there, just a Hobart Auto Arc 130, and then got the leads, and then the 100% argon tank is the gas that you need. This is just a LD size. And I have a fixed flow regulator. You should have an adjustable one, but that's all I had at the time. Then I have a little 2-pound spool of Hobart aluminum wire, and then in here I have the electricity to positive. See it here on the chart, it says for flux core you need electronegative, and that's what I normally use, but I had to change it to positive for solid wire. So you have to make sure to change it or it won't make very good welds at all. So that's just a little experiment.